Now let's start saving your project. To do that, go up to File and click on Save, Save As or Save As Copy. In this case we go with Save As. The short key for saving your project is Ctrl or Command S. But if you already given the project a name, you can click on Save instead of Save As. But in this case we haven't given the project a name yet, so we go with Save As. And now we can choose between save on the cloud document or save on your computer. In this case we're going for save on your computer. Now I'm going to place it on a desktop and I'm going to give it right here, you can give it a name. In this case I call it Illustrator file. Now you got all kind of types: Adobe PDF, EPS, Illustrator template, SVG, SVG compressed. We're going with Adobe Illustrator since that is the most convenient one for later reopening the same project. Now click on Save and this window will pop up. Over here you don't need to do anything and you just can leave all the settings the way it is and click on OK. Now to see that your project has been saved, you can see up here, you can see the name of your project, Illustrator file in this case, .ai, and after AI you got a little star. That star is indicating that you haven't saved your project yet. And as you can see all the way to the right, there's saying saving. So that's meaning that it's currently saving your project. And as you can see later on, when it's done, the star behind AI is disappearing. If you're not sure if you have saved your project yet, make sure to look for the star. If there's no star, you have saved it already. If there is a star, you should save it as quickly as possible.